build an n8n workflow which simply automates the manual process of finding, real estate properties like homes from particular state or particular location from Zillow. And obviously, that the thing will take time. So we can simply, completely automate that whole process of shortlisting the properties by our buying budget. So let me just show you a quick, execution of this workflow. Let's just wait for the execution. Yeah, see, so that's how this whole thing was working. And it simply, automates the manual process of finding the properties that, buyers who really had no time, they can simply use the simple workflow to simply automate their property shortlisting stuff and all. So that's it for today.